I've had a bit of time on my hands lately, so I thought, why not build a rocket? I don't have rocket fuel though, but I have two things that we can mix together to make a chemical reaction: bicarb and vinegar. That's going to power our rocket. We're also going to need a little bit of water, a container to mix in, and the body of our rocket. I'm using an old yeast container that has a lid which snaps on. The first thing you're going to do is take 2 teaspoons of bicarb, put that in your mixing container and mix that with about a teaspoon of water. We're going to create a thick paste and pop that thick paste in the lid of our rocket. There we go, reactant number 1. Then we're going to take reactant number 2, the vinegar, and pop about a tablespoon, maybe a little bit more, into the body of our rocket. Now I'm standing really closely, so I'm going to pop some goggles on, but if you do this at home, make sure you jump out of the way so you don't end up with vinegar all over you. Take the lid of your rocket, place it on, turn the rocket upside down, and step back. What do you think might happen? We're taking the 2 reactants and mixing them together. Let's see. 3, 2, 1. So as you could see, our reactants, our vinegar and our bicarb, mixed together and changed into something new, a product. And in our case, the product was carbon dioxide, a gas. It filled up the container, and that provided the force to help shoot our rocket up into the sky. Have a think though, if we increased the amount of reactants, would we end up with more products? Think about that question and let me know.